Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell that's beside that subscribe button, and I recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will send you one email notifying you that I just uploaded a brand new video. You will see in your inbox the picture and the title of the video, and if you press on the picture, it acts like a shortcut and it takes you directly to the video. It's something I use and I enjoy, and I want to make sure that you guys know about it as well. I do upload a lot, and I want to make sure, because sometimes my videos are time sensitive, like deals and things, and I don't want you guys to miss out. So the best thing to do is to make sure to press that bell after you hit that subscribe button. All right? Okay, today is the day we're going to be going through the Target box for June 2020. This is my first box that I'm opening up this month. I'm really excited for this month, because there's so many boxes that are going to be coming this month that I cannot wait to share with you. All right. The box is beyond stunning. They are killing it with these gorgeous boxes. And what Target did this month, they only had one box that I saw so far, and it was everything having to do with nail care, which I think is fantastic timing because of everything that's going on in the world right now. A lot of us are home and a lot of us couldn't go to our manicurists and things like that. So I think this was right on the money. And as you can tell, the pictures and the colors, it's all very like nail polishy. And I'm so blown away by this box. Not only is it like it's all the way around, like they did an absolutely stunning box. Okay, enough about the box. This box is a $7 box. It is not a subscription box. You have to go on Target.com, but it does ship for free. And I cannot wait to share this with you guys because it is available, and I want to make sure that you guys, if you're interested after you see everything, if you want to go on Target.com, that's where I picked mine up. So we do get a card in all of them, every box, and inside it usually has one side that has the everything that's in the box, as well as a $3 coupon that you can use. What's nice now is they're extending the expiration date on these coupons. This one is going to be good until October 1st of 2020, and they're saying this is for beauty purchases of $15 or more, for cosmetics, skincare, or hair care for $3. As I've mentioned in the past, if you're new here, a lot of times I was using these for the pixie sprays that are $15, and so I was able to get the $3 off. Then in here they have a second card, and this is for nails, tips, and tricks, and they have tips 1 through 10, which are up here. And then on this one, they have another coupon for $2 off an Essie. And Essie is one of the brands that I recommend highly. My favorite color from Essie is called Ballet Slipper. And it's in between, it's like a cheating effect to me, a French manicure. So they always come with this beautiful tissue wrapping in their boxes, and then we got a chock full of items in here. So let me just go through and pull everything out, and then we're going to go through, read on the card what everything is, but it looks like there's a lot in this box. All right, so I'm going to pull the card so that I can go through it and make sure that everything is in here. So I'm going to go in the order of the card, and then we'll pick up each item and play. All right, so the first item, it says it is called Defy and Inspire. They're saying it's a water-resistant nail lacquer. So I'm assuming it's this one in this hot pink color, and it's a little guy. And what they wrote here is they're saying it is easy to apply with professional salon style brush for intense color and gorgeous shimmer and an elegant shine. They're saying it is Target clean, 9 free, cruelty free, and Leaping Bunny approved. They're saying after polishing your nails, dip your fingertips into ice water to speed up the drying time. I have never tried that. That is a hint. The next item that we have in here, it says it is called the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette in Rose Sapphire. And it looks like it's this package right here. And this looks like those, they're saying it wears just like a salon gel and it can last up to 14 days. They're saying there's 6 strips and the nail file is included in this. I have seen other girls do this. It is this type of product that you put on your fingertips. And I know there's some brands that just sell this. I didn't know this was going to be available at Target. So that's another win-win. All right. So this says it is a gloss gel nail strips, will deliver the high shine look, chip resistant strength, and 14-day long wear of salon gel in minutes. There is no UV lamp, no dry time, just high impact design and lasting gel shine. They're saying for a quick and easy application, simply prep, size, and apply and file. A pro tip is to avoid water at least 1 hour after application. Oils or lotions should not be used for up to 2 hours before or after the application to ensure a proper adhesive. Really, really exciting. All right, didn't know that was available. That's why I love these Target boxes. All right, the next item is from ULTA, and that looks like it's this little packet here. And this says it is an undeniable beauty hair, skin, and nail biotin, vitamin C, E, and keratin. It looks like it's 2 gummies of a supplement. So let's see what they wrote on the card. It says, these expert blending gummy vitamins contain vitamin C and E, as well as biotin and keratin, which help to build strong hair, skin, and nail cells, making sure to look and feel beautiful. They're saying the extra tip on this is signs of biotin deficiency can include brittle nails, thin hair, dry skin, and it's best for people who are looking for strong hair, skin, and nails. Well, that's pretty much all of us. Okay, the next item we got was from Sally Hansen. And Sally Hansen is what was, I think, one of my first drugstore nail salon purchases. So let me bring this back up here. The bottle was twisted, so here's what the front of the bottle looks like. We'll open her up and see what it says about her here. It says, Sally Hansen's Nail Treatment Hard as Nail Serum is a fast-absorbing protein serum which delivers deep, restorative strength with lasting protection against damage and breaking nails. They're saying if you apply 1 to 2 pumps of this serum into your hand, then spread evenly to all 5 nails and cuticles. That is fantastic. Okay, so this is a nail strengthening serum, and there's a bunch of instructions on the back of the box as well. That's up here. So we'll have to read up more about this, but it is a nice size. I think this is a full-size item. So really, really excited to get this. And then the next item that's in the box is from Essie. And like I said, Essie is a great, great brand and an additional $2 coupon. They're saying this is the Gel Setter Top Coat. They're saying it's gel-like colors and shine-free. It's instant high gloss gel-like finish. And that's what the product looks like here. And what they wrote is, it is a clear top coat that will give your nails the gel-like color and ultra shine day after day. So let's see what we have here. Also, there's some more information on the back of the box here. And yeah, this also looks like a full-size product. Wow, wow, wow. Really, really cool. All right, the next item here is from EOS. And this brand I'm familiar with because always at the front of the caches, they have these lip balms. They look like little balls. And I have enjoyed using them, and I've picked them up more than once at the cache when we used to go to the store. All right, this one says it is the Shea Butter Coconut Hand Cream. It is a lightweight shea oil and ultra-rich shea butter formula, which will deliver 24-hour hydration that even lasts throughout hand washing. Well, this is definitely needed right now. Like I said, they are so on top. Yeah, and it smells like coconut. Really, really pretty. So that's what this item is here. The next item is from Tweezerman. They're saying it is their 40th anniversary celebration nail file, which looks like this. And the other side says Tweezerman. Tweezerman is a really, really fantastic line. I think all of my nail files too are all Tweezerman. But the first product that I bought from Tweezerman was to pluck my eyebrows. And they're saying this is a professional quality file designed to expertly shape and leave your nails soft, smooth, and polished ready. So happy to have an extra nail file. And then the next item in here, it says it is from Ila and Mila, which is this here. And they're saying this is a soy polish remover wipe. And that's what the product looks like here. And it says it is a vitamin-enriched soy-based nail polish remover wipe. It removes nail polish while keeping skin and cuticles healthy and moisturized. They're saying the trick is to wipe onto the nails, allowing the remover to absorb into each nail for at least 30 seconds. This is the type of product that I travel with. Years ago, like when I was really, really young, my mother brought nail polish remover and in the bottle when we traveled somewhere, and it killed her suitcase, it killed her clothes, it literally. So ever since then, we always searched for this type of product. So I'm really happy that this is available on Target, in Target. So we'll be able to have that. But this is really, really smart when you're traveling to always have a packet like this, because if your nail polish chips or anything happens, this is always important to have. So happy that that's available there too. Wow, what a box. Okay, I'm just going to open up the coconut now that that's all that there is, and I don't have to worry about swatching anything. I'm going to put a little bit of this hand cream on. Yeah, it is really, really smells nice. And like I said, I didn't even know that EOS sold moisturizers or hand creams. I only knew them for their lip balm. So the Target box at $7 introduced me now to some brands that that's the one with the cream and that's the one with no cream. So that's why I love this Target box. So if you're able, and if this is of any interest to you, like I said, it is available on Target.com. This was $7. It was free freight. We got a top coat from Essie. We got a serum from Sally Hansen. We got one of these fantastic wipes that are sealed. We got a hand cream from EOS. We got an anniversary nail file from Tweezerman. We got some gummies to try for our nails and hair to strengthen it. We got a cute little nail polish in here, and this fantastic product that I've only seen sold through different channels, but never available at Target. So that's really going to be a new find for me as well. So like I said, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 products for $7 with free shipping, plus a $3 coupon and an Essie $2 coupon with a bunch of tips and tricks on the back. So like I said, I think the Target Beauty Box is definitely a win. Hopefully, if this is of interest to you, you'll have the time once I upload this to go on and check it out for yourself. Usually they show other boxes that are still available, but I really didn't see anything when I went to purchase this one. So I don't know if they sold out of all the previous ones. So just keep your eyes open. Like I said, this is $7 free shipping, Target.com. All right. So that's all I have for you guys today. I want to say to everybody, thank you so much. I appreciate that you choose to spend some time with me. If you're enjoying my content, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please share my channel. We're getting really close to that 1,000, which is that target number for YouTubers that opens up a whole window of opportunities. So I'm really, really excited that I'll hopefully be able to get there sooner than later. So thanks to you guys for doing that for me. And it's because you're sharing my channel and telling others about it. It's all through networking, because I really haven't told. I told a handful, maybe two or three people that I had a channel when I decided to start this last summer. So really excited that hopefully, maybe we'll be able to hit that number before my first anniversary. So thanks again to everyone for doing that. Everybody, continue to stay safe and stay well, and I'll see you all in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.